Outdated power sources hold your operation back. Get current with the SynchroWave. The SynchroWave is simple to set up. ProSet technology eliminates guesswork when setting TIG weld parameters. Just one touch gives you the speed, convenience, and confidence of preset controls. Confirmation of the feature's activation is clearly shown on the machine's faceplate. It's easy to use. The intuitive user interface reduces training time, so your operation gets more work done. The SynchroWave is so simple to set up and easy to use that it allows welders of all skill levels to be more productive and avoid making bad welds. The SynchroWave is up to 33% more energy efficient than older machines, which means you can save up to $560 per year per machine, improving bottom line. Get better arc performance. Better arc starts and more stable arcs makes work more efficient and productive. The new SynchroWave machines free up space and are easier to move around the shop. Get current with the SynchroWave from Miller.